Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia L4, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So to get started, you will need to pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the device. And it might be a little bit difficult. I use this SIM eject tool just to kind of pry it out, because as you will see, if I... Oh, well, it's restarting the phone, whatever. So you can see it right over here, and it doesn't have any kind of like the hole, so you can push in the this pin, but instead you have this kind of like a fingernail pull out kind of thing, but I don't know, my fingernails aren't strong enough to pull that out, so I just use this to pry it out like so, as you can see right now. So set that on the side and pop it out, and from here you have space for a SIM card. It goes like this, and an SD card, so let's place that as well. Now it looks like you can also place a SIM card or two different SIM cards instead of an SD card, so I believe you take this one out and place this like so. So let me quickly check. Yep, there it is, so it goes like this. So once they're both in, laying flush with the tray itself, as you can see, while holding them securely, you want to slide it back into the device. Now it looks like this phone for some reason needs to reboot every time it basically pops in a tray, or it not. Oh, okay, I guess it didn't reboot. No, never mind, there it is. Not really sure what the purpose of this is. Even if the tray is empty and you pop it in, it restarts. Kind of stupid, but I guess you only get to do this once, really, so let's wait for the device to boot back up. And there we go. So you can see there's a SD card. SIM card also was working because I needed to put in a pin for it. And yeah, so if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.